Williams College has had a prestigious position in the art world for a number of years, and it even has a nickname, the Williams Art Mafia. Alums today are in or have been in all of the organizations in this picture you're looking at. I took an art history class almost 40 years ago from the guy on the upper left, Whitney Stoddard, who was amazingly insightful, funny, adventurous. And now a group of four of us have gotten together to build and develop the Williams art community. And we're calling this project the Williams Art Mafia Project.
So I'm Nick. I founded the art scene. I graduated last year.
Hi, I'm MJ, a current senior, and I'm an art history and math major.
I am Chris. I'm a sophomore at Williams, and I've been working with Pixium for the past couple months or so.
And I'm Tom Paper, class of 84 and the founder of Pixium.
Our objective is to grow the Williams College arts community. Uh, Informally, it's known as the Williams Art Mafia. We see these great arts communities on the student level and then on the alumni level, but no real connection between the two. And we think there's a great chance there for students and alums to connect and mutually benefit. So we want to build up community between student artists, student curators, and college alums who work professionally in those fields.
We plan to host an open call show this semester where student artists can collaborate with student curators like art history majors to put together an exhibit on Pixium that they can submit to jurors that are Williams alums present in the art world today.
Second, we'll host an in-person show in Williamstown in January 2026, in which the top three teams, as ranked by the jurors, will display their exhibits. Third, we'll host an online show in February or March 2026 of the top three teams. And finally, in April 2026, we will organize a pop-up exhibit in Manhattan with the top three teams. And we intend to use a U-Haul truck to have a mobile art gallery in a way shown like this.
We are looking for Williams alums who are currently working as curators, administrators, patrons of the arts, artists, to be jurors of this open call student show. We think there are benefits for students and jurors here. This is an opportunity for jurors to connect and inspire the next generations of Williams students and student artists. It's a really, it's going to be a treasured experience for these students, and you have a chance to make somebody's arts experience in college really special and potentially change their life.
So the responsibilities of the jurors are, we think, simple and twofold. So first, they're going to need to spend 1 to 2 hours in December or early January evaluating the exhibits that have been made by the student artist curator teams. So each exhibit is going to be hosted on Pixium, and each exhibit will run for no more than 5 minutes. And this is part of the challenge of for the students, especially the curators, is to tell a story in a limited amount of time. Second, is to attend one of the two online shows to be hosted in February or March when the top student artist curator teams will present their exhibits. And it's really important. This is part of the benefit to the students in this is getting to meet you and develop some relationship with you who is currently in the art world. Jurors are going to be invited also to the opening show in Williamstown in January 2026, as well as the pop-up show in Manhattan in April of 2026. And so if you're interested in participating as a juror, please reach out to Nick or myself. And also want to mention that this project is independent of Williams College.
Okay, so we can now go into an example exhibit of what a student exhibit will look like. This is an exhibit did a couple of years ago for the art scene using some student artist work.
So we're going to go into step 4.
The exhibition juxtaposes two works of art at a time, one world-renowned and one student-made and previously under the radar. Despite their differences in visibility, the works placed together often deal with some of the same images and themes. With time, and with your help, we can begin to make this largely unseen student art a part of the conversation. Enjoy. Our first work comparison is a work from Riku Nakano. Riku is from the class of 25 and works in a variety of mediums, such as graphite, oil paint, and collage. In both these pieces,
So hopefully you get the idea. The students will put together their exhibit, and the runtime of all clicking through everything is shown here. For this one, it's presently at 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
So thank you so much for your consideration. We're really excited about this project. We hope you are too.
And as an alum who's a few years out, 40, believe it or not, the things that are important to me are about relationships in life. And I am really excited about this because it's a chance for us to bring people together and develop relationships. And that's one of the great strengths of Williams. So thank you.